Hello guys, welcome to gourabsartcraftworld. I'm Gaurav and today we will make this beautiful Maa Durga bottle decor. At first take some baby powder. Now add some Fevicol or white glue and white acrylic color. Mix them nicely. Make sure that there should not be any lumps. Now by using a sponge, cover the whole bottle with this baby powder paste. For this you can also use your painting brush, but using sponge creates a texture on it. After completing this, let it dry. Now after completely drying up, draw a rough layout of the design. Now take some clay and start making Maa Durga's body parts. For this, here I am using mouldit clay, but you can also use homemade clay. Take some clay, give it a required shape and size and stick it on the bottle with the help of glue. For her hands, take some clay, roll it in this way to make clay strips and stick them on the required places. For the list of the materials, please check the description box below. For her head, take some clay, give it a drop shape and stick it on the bottle. Now make it smooth by using water in this way. Now give some detailings by using these clay modeling tools. For her hair, create some small clay strips and stick them on her head. If you have any queries, then you can directly ask me on Instagram. After completing this, we will have to make our clothes in the following manner. Stick some clay, flatten it by simply pressing your fingers and smoothen it by using water in this way. Now in this way, one by one, we have to complete her clothing parts. Now give some detailings by using clay modeling tool. If you don't have the clay modeling tool available, then you can also use a safety pin or a knife. If you want, you can also use this bottle decor as a lamp. At the end of the video, I'll show you how it looks like if you use this as a lamp. Now before making her legs, we have to make Mahishasu's head first. Take some clay, give it a drop shape and stick it on the bottle according to your design. For his horns, we have to make two small clay strips, then stick them on the both sides of his head. To make his ears, we have to make two small drop shape, then flatten it by using your fingers. Now again create some small detailings. For her trident, I have already made a long clay strip and left it for a while so that it could dry a little bit before sticking on the bottle. Now in this way, by simply making some small drop shapes, we have to complete her trident. Now make her legs in this way. After completing the Durga part, it's time to decorate the bottle with some small clay flowers and designs. To make the flowers, here I have used a chakla bale for flattening the clay and a flower shape cutting tool to cut out the flower shapes. Now in this way, by using a scissor, you can add some detailings to the flowers, or you can skip that part if you want to. Now stick them on the bottle with the help of glue. Now we are going to make 2 small clay ropes to decorate the upper part of the bottle. Just roll the clay into a clay strip, fold it from middle, join both the edges and twist it in this way. Now stick it on the top of the bottle according to your design. Now prepare some small clay balls and stick them between 2 rope shapes. Now in this way complete the clay work and let it dry. So friends, our clay work has completed and this is how it looks. In the next video, I'm going to color this clay work. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.